How to claim B Airdrop SP points. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to claim your SP points on your B Airdrop. So guys, not waste much of your time, let's simply dive right into the video. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel is all about making money and fixing app related issues. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it, hit the subscribe button. Now right here is the home page of my B Airdrop. The first step you need to take is to go ahead and click on the Explore. So right here on this Explorer section, the next step you need to take here is to come right here and click on the search button. So right here you need to go ahead and paste this link I'm going to leave on this video description, and it's going to direct you to this page like this. So the next step you need to take in order for you to claim your BSP token is to go ahead and click on this place here at the bottom of the screen. You can see that beside the screen at the bottom where it says check in. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking right here, you can see where it says log in. So in order for you to actually claim your SP, you need to go ahead and click on log in like this. So right here, as you can see, your name is going to pop on the screen like this. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on authorize. You can see that right here. So once you do that, going back right there where you can see check in, you can see that at the bottom of the screen. Looking right here, I've been able to claim my SP. The next step you need to take is to complete this daily task. You can see where it says continuous check-in. You can see where it says B games. You can see where it says airdrop weekly report, and so on and so forth. So in order to do the first one right here, you need to go ahead and click on start like this and click on check-in and click on OK. It's that simple. So you need to go back. You've done that one. The second one here says explore B games. You need to click on start like this. Then go ahead and click on claim. So if it's directed to this page, you can simply go back, click on the check-in once more. Let's do the second one. After clicking on it, go back and click on the check-in and click on claim. Likewise this one, click on it like this, then click on the check-in and click on claim. So you can actually click on the last one here which says bring one pal. So you can click on that one. If you click on that one, this is where you can actually see your referral link. This is where you can copy your referral link in order to invite more friends to your account. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now for more tutorials like this, do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.